Hi everyone, I'm Finola, the makeup artist on set today. I'm going to be showing you how to recreate these gorgeous looks in the comfort of your own home. Remember, all of these looks have been inspired by the latest catwalk, so using any of the products from the trend edit means you are using shades and finishes that are on trend and hot right now. I'm going to show you my interpretation of each look, making it as easy as possible for you to recreate. To get this flawless look, I've used Ideal Flawless Foundation in Ivory and a touch of Ideal Flawless Liquid Concealer. For the eyebrows, I've used the new Brow Tattoo in Blonde. Using the lightest shade from the palette, apply to the brow bone using the small brush provided. This creates a lovely definition to the brow and eye, giving you a lovely canvas to get started. Taking the pink shade, use a blending brush. I am blending the colour into the crease of the eye softly, using circular motions to create a lovely soft effect. Now, using an eyeshadow brush, I'm using the purple shade to create a little definition on the outside of the eye. This is building on top of the pink shade to give the colour more depth. Apply this with gentle pats. I am now using the more golden tone of the palette to help add some light and reflection to the inside of the eye, close to the inner corner. This makes the eyes look brighter and fresher. Using the gold eyeliner, add definition by lining the top of the lid. Use small strokes as close to the lash line as possible. The creamy texture of the eyeliner really helps to achieve that soft, defined look. Once the eyeshadow is complete, use Big and Daring mascara and coat the lashes, rocking the brush in an upward motion. This mascara is great for a full lash look. Use on the bottom lash also to balance the eye. You'll notice I'm not applying layers as this looks nice and subtle, but you can build your lashes if you prefer a more intense look. Using the magical highlighter of 5 colours, I'm going to be blending the brush across the entire palette to mix all 5 colours together. Be sure to tap off any excess product for a flawless finish. Use sweeping motions across the apples of the cheek, down the bridge of the nose, and the Cupid's bow. Here's a product tip for you. By blending all 5 colours together, you can achieve a gold iridescent finish, which is really on trend at the moment. Apply the lipstick using the precision tip to really define the lip line. The built-in primer gives a lovely creamy feel and a flawless finish. You can see the full colour almost instantly. Finish off by patting on clear gloss to add definition and shine to the lips.